it? Well, it really depends on your product. I would say probably 90% of the people out there can definitely benefit from it, but it takes time. Like anything, it really takes time to build up that audience. Or if you want to think of this, you know, you think about the touch points in marketing. So 7 touch points in marketing, kind of a basic thing. Well, in Amazon, if they give you this other touch point, let's say that you've got your sponsored ads going for you, sponsored brands going for you, you've got a really incredible listing, you've got some social media, you've got your website. Anyways, you're building up all these little touch points. And even on your listing, going from frequently bought, like let's take that as an example. On your listing, Amazon really does a great job of allowing you to create all these touch points. So while you're on the listing, you actually see your brand. Where does that start? On the first page, like when you go to a search page, you see the brand. It could be a headline sponsored, or it could be sponsored brands. You go to the listing, it could be sponsored, any type of Amazon sponsored ads. You see your images with your brand. You see your title. You see the bullets. You scroll down. You see frequently bought together. You go underneath that. You have the questions. You have related videos. Now you get to the posts. It's just another touch point. So Amazon, this is really Amazon's answer to building a brand community. Nike left because they said that Amazon was not supporting brands and the ability for them to grow a community. Just was it a coincidence that a week later, all of a sudden, Amazon posts, were there? So that's what this is about: building that community and being able to see your brand without having to be on a white background.